The single-day fourth session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly was adjourned sine die by Speaker T.H. Satyabrata amid uproar by opposition Congress MLAs today. The opposition MLAs led by former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi maintained that one day was not enough to discuss the prevailing situation of the state. All 10 Kuki Joe MLAs did not attend the session. It may be remembered that 6 of them had already applied for leave, while 4 had not submitted application. The proceedings began at 11 a.m. with obituary references by the Speaker. The House paid tributes to former member of Manipur Legislative Assembly from Saikul Assembly Constituency, Chungkhokai Dongal, former MLA of Mayang Imphal Assembly Constituency, Mainam Nilachandra, former MLA of Mao Assembly Constituency, R.K. Thekho, former MLA of Chingai Assembly Constituency, R.V. Mingting, former MLA of Khundrakpam Assembly Constituency, Konsam Tomba, and former Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Ningthozam Hera. As leader of the House, Chief Minister N. Biren began his speech expressing sorrow at the deaths of those killed in the ethnic violence that began on May 3. 5 Congress MLAs started shouting and caused a commotion, urging for a 5-day extension of the session. Even as the shouting continued, the leader of the House carried on with his speech. He said, "In times like this, words seems inefficient for those who have lost their loved ones in the strife." The House resolved that all differences should be addressed through dialogue and peaceful means for communal harmony in the state. The Chief Minister then presented the Business Advisory Committee report and moved that the House agreed with allocation of time proposed by the committees. In response, CLP O. Ibobi, who is also a member of the Business Advisory Committee, maintained that he had walked out of the committee's meeting as he was against the stand of the committee, and as such the session was conducted against the rule of law, he contended. He demanded that a 5-day session be held for discussing the situation in the state. Speaker Satyabrata Singh urged the opposition MLAs to sit down, but they continued with the ruckus, following which he adjourned the House till 11:30. As the House reassembled at 11:30, the Congress MLAs continued with the protests, following which the Speaker adjourned the proceedings sine die, stating that it was not possible to continue with the session amid the ruckus.